In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark expenses as billable in QuickBooks Online. This is an essential feature for those of you who need to ensure that all your expenses are accurately tracked and billed to your clients. Let's walk through this step by step so that you can set this up efficiently. First, you'll want to navigate to the gear icon. You can find this icon conveniently located at the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online interface. Once you click on the gear icon, it will open up a menu with various options. From this menu, go ahead and select Account and Settings. This is where you can adjust all the essential settings that are relevant to your financial management needs in QuickBooks. Next, look towards the left panel of your screen. You should see several categories listed. Here, you want to click on Expenses. This section is dedicated to all the options related to how you can track and manage expenses within QuickBooks. In the Expenses section, you'll see an option that says Track Expenses and Items by Customer. This option is crucial because enabling it allows you to associate specific expenses with particular customers, which simplifies billing and reporting. So, go ahead and make sure to enable this feature. While you're still in the Expenses section, you'll notice another option called Make Expenses and Items Billable. It's vital to enable this option too, as it ensures that you can designate certain expenses as billable to a customer. Essentially, this helps ensure that you aren't missing out on billing any costs associated with a client's project, improving accuracy in invoicing. After you've enabled these two features, make sure to hit T. This is a crucial step. Otherwise, your changes won't take effect, and you won't be able to track and bill your expenses correctly. QuickBooks typically shows a confirmation that your settings have been saved, so keep an eye out for that message as reassurance. With these settings now configured, let's discuss how you can mark expenses as billable during your regular transaction entry. When you enter a transaction and select an expense, you'll see a checkbox labeled Billable. By simply checking this box, you're marking that particular expense as billable to a client. This step is straightforward and becomes second nature as you get used to the workflow. And there you have it. You've successfully set up QuickBooks Online to track and mark expenses as billable. This feature is an efficient way to make sure all your expenses are accounted for when it comes time to bill your clients, enhancing the accuracy and reliability of your financial management processes. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has made QuickBooks Online a little easier to navigate.